Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, July the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. It's the binary. And by the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of today, well, told you earlier, 289 days ago another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel, still continuing. And I've heard, today the Israelis has bombed Gaza. 70 people died. And the excuse they are using always, Hamas leaders, we are searching, and it's in that building. Well, I believe there are more dead people caused by Israeli soldiers than the people hostage. Yes. Anyway, enough about the war. Let me continue with this puzzle. This will be number 8945. Before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Let me start with the ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Oh, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 4 O's. Okay, 4 O's. How about here? 4 O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place number 5 there. Otherwise, we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here, 3, 4 O's here, or there. 2, 3, 4, well, come on. Overlook something. Need to compare then. I cannot compare this one. How about double 1? Cannot compare this one. Oh, double here. Not the same. Well, need to compare the rows then. Do we have a double O 1 here? No. How about 1 O 1 O 1 O 1 O O yeah, this one and that one. 1 1 O O 1 1 O O O O 1 1 empty box O O empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. This one and that one. We have 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Okay. Now I can continue. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Finished in 8 minutes. Well. With 1 comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.